Trending altcoins are capturing investor attention as several assets see sharp price moves and growing market interest. Among them, NEAR protocol leads with a 45% gain over the past 7 days. NEAR is positioning itself as an AI-native platform designed to support the next wave of decentralized applications and intelligent agents. This surge is likely driven by increased adoption and recognition of NEAR's role in the evolving crypto landscape. The platform's focus on high performance and AI integration has drawn new capital and developer attention, making it a top performer in the current market cycle. Pudgy Penguins, PENGU, is also gaining traction, with a 7% rise in the last week. Pudgy Penguins is more than just a token, it's part of a well-established NFT brand that has been a fixture in the crypto space for years. Unlike many short-lived meme tokens, PENGU benefits from a large and active community, brand recognition, and a strong cultural presence in Web3. This gives it a unique advantage in a market where many projects lack longevity or real-world utility. Open Gradient, OPG, is another name on the rise, with a 17% increase in the last 24 hours. The sudden spike suggests a wave of intraday buying interest, possibly driven by a recent development or news event. While the exact trigger is not specified, the rapid movement indicates a high level of market activity and potential speculative interest in the token. Hyperliquid, Hype, has seen most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. A notable weekly surge, hitting a new all-time high before pulling back. The token reached $63 before retreating, and analysts have noted that indicators may be showing signs of overheating. This could suggest a period of consolidation or a potential correction ahead. On the protocol side, the HIP-4 upgrade, which introduced permissionless prediction markets and option-style derivatives, went live on May 5, 2026. This upgrade could be a key driver of interest and activity in the Hype token, as it expands the platform's capabilities and opens up new use cases for users. Grass rounds out the top 5 with a 35% gain over the past 7 days. A major exchange listing on OKX in late April likely played a role in this move, as it provided greater access and liquidity for the token. Grass is a DePIN token, which stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network. This classification means it's involved in providing infrastructure services in a decentralized manner, potentially drawing interest from investors looking for exposure to infrastructure-based crypto projects. Beyond the top 5, other names like Genius, Sway, and Zcash are also trending, indicating broad-based momentum across different segments of the market. This suggests that the current rally is not limited to a single sector or theme, but is instead a more generalized movement driven by broader market sentiment and investor optimism. The growing interest in these altcoins reflects a broader shift in investor behavior. As the market matures, there's increasing focus on projects with real-world applications, strong communities, and clear utility. This trend is likely to continue as more investors seek out assets that offer both growth potential and functional value. However, with some of these tokens showing signs of overheating, particularly in the case of Hype, it's important to monitor for signs of a pullback or consolidation. High velocity and sharp price moves can sometimes precede corrections, especially in a market environment where sentiment can shift quickly. The next signal to watch is whether these trends continue to hold or if any of the top performers begin to show signs of weakening. For NEAR, a sustained move above recent resistance levels could indicate further upside potential. For PENGU, continued. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Community activity and brand recognition will be key to maintaining its upward trajectory. For OPG, a follow-up event or update from the Open Gradient team could provide further clarity on the direction of the token. For Hype, the performance of the HIP-4 upgrade and user adoption of the new features will be important to track. And for Grass, the post-listing performance on OKX and any additional exchange additions could provide further liquidity and exposure. In a market where momentum is king, these trending altcoins are currently at the forefront of investor attention. Whether they can maintain their upward momentum or face a period of consolidation will depend on a range of factors, including continued adoption, new developments, and broader market conditions.